Hey everyone, this is Angie at StampingWithAmore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Last I looked, update on the 30,000 subscribers, there was like, I think 25 that I need to get to the 30,000. Super excited about that, and as soon as we hit that goal, I will post it on one of my regular scheduled days, which are Tuesday, Wednesday, and Sunday is when I post. And I will announce that, and I will tell you what the giveaway is. And all right, so for these cards today, it is not a fun fold, but it's a super easy one. And the reason I'm sharing this is because I created this one using the Butterfly Bijou Designer Series paper, and the sentiment from this is from the In Bloom, but I created this for the Stampin' Up! On tour that we had the other day. We had it virtually, and I had to share a swap, and so this is the one that I made for that. Super quick and easy, and I thought I'd do a nice easy one. And also this came from a sketchbook that I had, the design did. It's not my design, but I thought it was really fun and easy to do. So this is what I'm sharing. You can see I went ahead and made some other ideas for you. So I made one that is a baby card, and I used our Designer Series paper, which is our subtles. This is the Petal Pink. And this is the Baby Pull Toys stamp set that I used for that. That's this one. And I just fussy cut the little giraffe. I know there's no pink giraffes, but hey, this is a baby card. And then, like I said, this one was from the Butterfly Bijou, which this has one large die that will cut out all these butterflies, and I happen to have a few butterflies left. This is the one here. These are the butterfly wings, or brilliant wings. And then the stamp set is the Butterfly Brilliance. This is a bundle. And so this is the paper I used, and I used the back side to punch the little back pieces. And I am using the rectangle postage stamp for our background. So this is quick and easy. Now I'm going to share this one today because I love the strawberry, and it is from the Sweet Strawberry stamp set. And it also comes with a coordinating strawberry builder punch. And that is what we're using today. I used that was so sweet of you for the sentiment, but you can use any of these sentiments. I'm using Real Red, and the Designer Series paper that I'm using for this one is the True Love. This one right here, it's all black and white. I love this. I'm actually going to use these polka dots. They're not really polka dots, but they're close to polka dots. They have more like a diamond shape. But that's what I'm going to use for the one today, so you can see you can change it up. I'm also, instead of Garden Green, which I used on this one, I'm going to use Pear Pizzazz. It's one of my favorite colors. And I thought, oh, I'm just going to change it up a bit. And so we're using Real Red and Pear Pizzazz. And then I just used a blend, which is Dark Daffodil Delight for the center of the flower. All right, let's get started with this. These are so fun and so quick and easy. So you do need a card base. I'm using Real Red for this. It's 5.5 by 4 1/4. The piece that we're going to add to is 5 1/4 by 4. And then we need scrap, which I said I was going to use these little diamond-shaped polka dots on this one. So we need to punch 4 of these. And we're going to go ahead and stamp first and get that all ready, and then we'll just put everything together. It's going to be really, really easy. All right, so I am going to grab my Pear Pizzazz and my Real Red, and we are going to go ahead and do the strawberry. You can color these in with your blends if you prefer, but I'm just doing it the easy way. And we are just going to stamp. So I'm going to go ahead and punch that first. And I do need to, I should have done it up here. It would have made it easier because the way that this punch is, you have to slide it in there. So we're going to go ahead and punch that. We'll already have our strawberry. This is what makes this so quick and easy. Then we're going to do our leaves. So the leaves are going, whoops, I didn't grab my leaves. Let me grab those really quick. Okay, here those are. And the way this leaf is going on here, I usually try to stamp it the way the leaf is going. So we are going to do 2 of them. And we're going to use, like I said, the pear pizzazz. And these are going this way. I'm going to put them apart. And then we're going to do, hopefully I can do this, because I can't really look over it. I'm trying to look at it from an angle, so I did pretty good there. Perfect, in fact. And we're going to cut that leaf out, and then I'm going to just trim this so I can have something to hold onto. And we are going to, well, I didn't make it long enough, so let me grab this piece. And here I've done this, I told you I do this quite a bit, where I don't leave enough on the end, so I'll do that. You can also make a matrix. I've done that before. I'm not really good at lining up the matrix sometimes, depending on what it is. So we have those 2 leaves. Now we just need to do the top. So I'll just grab that scrap that I just had, and we will do, whoops, the little top of the strawberry. And I really love this color. It's one of my favorites. And we are going to punch this one. Here we go again. I didn't leave enough room there. So let me grab another little piece. It's the best part of keeping scrap around you, because I do this quite often. All right, so we are going to punch this. All right, now all we have is our little flower, and I'll use this piece now. And I have plenty of room on this piece, and I'm going to use the Memento Black for the flower, because we want it to be white, because the flowers are white on those strawberries. So we're going to use that to close up these. And I'm going to use my marker here. I'm just going to color the center of that, and then we'll punch out the flower. All right, everything's ready to go. So let's put this together. I'll show you how easy this is. And I advise having like a ruler or something that has a straight edge on it, so that you can keep these pieces straight. We need to punch 4 of these. And it's a good way to use up scrap. See if I can fit, I don't think I'm going to fit one more on there. I think this is too short. Ooh, it fit. How about that? All right, so we have our 4 little pieces there. We do need one for our sentiment, so we have another piece here. That's for our sentiment. And while we have it here, we're just going to go ahead and stamp that right in the center. All right, let's put it together. So I'm going to grab my piece right here. I do line it up on my grid paper. This really helps too to keep it straight, but I do have my ruler, and I try to line the ruler up so that we can line these up. And I want to make sure that you can eyeball the sides, but when I do this part, I want to make sure these are straight. And I line them up first. And you can put how much space you like between each. Now I want to make sure that there's about the same space on each end here. Right. All right, so I'm going to line this up to these again. I'm going to line this line at the edge, and we're going to start with the bottom ones. And I'm going to use wet glue because I can scoot them over if I need to. All right, then we're going to do this one. Put a little bit more glue on that one. All right, and then the top ones are a lot easier because you already have pretty much lined up where you want them. Just put your space between them. And then that is it. And the T-ruler does work a lot better if you have a T-ruler. I could not find mine for the life of me. And then this one I am going to just glue into the center. And I'm going to go ahead and attach it to the front of my card. Look, you can just leave it like that without anything, but oh my goodness, the strawberry just adds so much to it. It's so cute. And if you want this designer series paper, by the way, it is on the retiring list. All right, so next we are going to add our strawberries. Usually all our designer series paper gets changed out. I think there's a couple staying this time, but just keep an eye on that. And then we are going to, we need to glue down our leaves first. So we'll put one here. One there, and then let's put our little top on our strawberry. And we're going to pop the strawberry up. And then we're going to pop up the flower too. We're going to put this on first though. And then this one more. And I'm going to stick that like a little bit underneath there. There you have it. Super quick and easy, right? It's a fun one. I hope you enjoyed it, everyone. If you need to make a bunch of cards up, just make them ahead of time and have them ready to go. These are perfect for that. So here's our other one. Oh, I love the kind of polka dot one, and then this one's super pretty too, but look at our little baby one. So that is all of them, everyone. I hope that you enjoyed this quick and easy card, and I hope you all have a blessed day. I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.